Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a looping video in Animoto. Animoto is an easy to use online video maker that lets you create professional video with photos, clips, text, and music. Looping a video is perfect for social media posts, ads, or background where you want the content to repeat seamlessly. So first, you need to have an Animoto app. If you do not have, so you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it from there as well. And make sure to log into your Animoto account and open. And you can also open to an existing project, or you can start by new one by selecting on any of this from the scratch. As I'm going to tap on the square and I'm going to select one of the recent posts that I have to edit, and once you're done you can select done in the top right. And you need to tap on your post over here. And Animoto does not have a direct loop button, but you can create a loop by simply adding plus icon. You can tap on the plus over here to make it more longer and repeat this process for all the slide you want to loop. And this extends the video so it plays in a repeated sequence, creating the effect of a continuous loop. And after you're done, you can tap on the preview to watch your video from the start to finish in the top right corner, and make sure the last slide transitions smooth back to the first one. If it feels abrupt, you can tweak the slide duration or rearrange clips to improve the flow as well. And if this video has helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.